So a subscriber brought me this little Artic to fix, and I got the air box off, and it was full of those seeds. Full of them. So now I'm kind of wondering if them things went through the motor, or through the carburetor, I mean, down into the motor. I'm going to get the borescope out here in a minute. Check her out. This is the air cleaner box off of it. So I got the borescope down the cylinder here. So far I haven't really seen anything too crazy, but boy, this is like impossible to make it work, isn't it? See if we can redirect it. I need to kind of see up at the valves. I could just compression test this too, but thought it might be a cool thing just to get the borescope out. I don't use it a lot. This would be the valve I would be mostly worried about, because this is the intake valve. This thing's really either dirty, probably. I mean, you can see me. So, valve looks okay there. Probably just gonna do a compression test on this. This thing's somewhat hard to use. I can't really see. Well, there's the piston again. I don't see anything in there that's bad, but I don't know. Give her a shot here with the compression tester next. So somehow I deleted the compression test, but it compressed at 0. There is no compression. I stuck my finger over the hole on the spark plug. It wouldn't even blow it off. It's gonna have to be tore apart. So I guess next is the head's coming off. I already got the valve cover off of it, so shouldn't be too hard. 4 nuts and take timing chain off quick and go from there. See what's really going on in there.